my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video I bring to you another unboxing and review of FBoxx. This is by far the best edition of FBoxx and definitely one of the best for any subscription box curation wise. It contains your day skincare routine, your entire night skincare routine and some skincare for your weekly routine as well, and all of that for a price tag of $7.99 including shipping. It seems too good to be true, but it is true. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box looks like. A nice quirky pattern here. Here there are some hashtags and it has the FBoxx logo on it. Quite sturdy, reached me in good condition. Once we open, we have all the products here. So let's go through them one by one. We've also added some confetti paper to make it look nice. So the first product you need for your skincare routine is a face wash, and this is the Skinny Dip Hyaluronic Acid Face Wash. It has 2.5% hyaluronic acid and vitamin C as well. So this is a great combination in itself. Cost of this is $5.50 and expiry is 36 months from 5/2019, so 5/2022. So a long wait till the expiry. The directions for use are mentioned here, the instructions. And you can see the ingredients here. It is what it claims. The first product and the highest percentage product as such is the hyaluronic acid. So I am happy with this. It comes with a pump dispenser which is easy to use, and CGG is a brand which is by Anusha Dandekar, and it has been a part of some other boxes as well, and I've used some of their products and I do like them, so definitely happy with this. Also, these products are for all skin types, cruelty free and dermatologically tested. Then the second step would be your serum, and this time they have sent their Plumpalicious Collagen Peptide Night Facial Serum. This has collagen peptide complex and I've used this before. It is quite lightweight and I did like it. It's worth 900 rupees individually, and again 36 months from 8/2019 is expiry, 30 ml size. Here are the ingredients and the directions for use. You can see the first ingredient is collagen, which is really good for aging and mature skin. Even for younger skin, it keeps your skin very plump. And the second ingredient is niacinamide, which is again really amazing for your skin. It has so many benefits. I have mentioned it in one of my night skincare routine videos. You can go through it. I'll link it in the cards. So this is again a great product to receive. It has come seal packed. And this is how the packaging of the product is, like how usually serums come in dropper packaging. It is quite huge though, because it has 30 ml product, which is quite more for a serum product. It is clear in color like oil, and it is quite lightweight. It is not like a oil as such, but it is not completely water based. It has a good amount of hydration in it, but it is a really lightweight formula, so I really like this one. Well, another thing is the fragrance of these products is not so great because I think they do not add additional fragrance, but they are pretty decent. Now after your face wash and serum, you would need a moisturizer, and they have the same range of moisturizer from CGG. This is again Plumpalicious range, nighttime skin renewing moisturizer with collagen. This has collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Do I need to say anything more about these ingredients? I guess not. Really good ingredients. 700 rupees is the cost, and you can see these ingredients. The first is collagen, second is vitamin C, and third is hyaluronic acid. So they are not lying about what they have in these products. So I really appreciate that, because many products, when they say they have some particular thing written on the top in the front of the product, they actually are hidden somewhere in the ingredients, not the first few ingredients. So this is what I appreciate about this brand. And here are some details, more details about this product. Again, very happy with this. It has a convenient pump disposal and it is very moisturizing. Again, this is something that I've used. And it is very nourishing. I think this is gonna be awesome for the upcoming winters. And for night routine especially, you need something which is very hydrating, not something that gets completely absorbed and is not at all oily and all. So this is great for nighttime routine. So here we are completely sorted for the night routine. We have face wash, serum and moisturizer. For the day routine, you can use the same face wash, and then they have sent this sunscreen. You can use a moisturizer in between if you have dry skin, and then you can use this sunscreen. And what is great about the sunscreen is this is a spray kind of bottle, so you can just spritz it on your face. It says sunscreen facial mist SPF 40, protects from UVA and UVB, which is good. Here are the ingredients mentioned. Cost is 500 rupees, individually 100 ml size. You can see the ingredients here and the instructions for use, and these are more details about the product. As such, all the products are paraben free, sulfur free and everything. Well, I have been using the L'Oreal's a mist sunscreen whenever I go out on trips, so I'm really happy to receive something like this. I'll just try to show you guys how this is. You can see how it splits on your face. You can just massage it, very lightweight. So well, this cannot be used on your makeup, but if you have only your skincare on your skin, you can definitely use it as a top up throughout the day. It's very easy to use and absorbs in seconds. So definitely happy with this. So after the day and the night skincare routine, we have something for your weekly routine as well, which will be a scrub and pack. So we have this Even Steven D10 facial scrub. It has coffee powder, caffeine and almond oil. So this is for your face. Here are the ingredients and all the instructions mentioned. Cost of this product is 350 rupees. Manufactured in 8 2019, 36 months from there is expiry. Let's open and see this. Packaging for all the products is quite good. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It is quite goopy. That means it is probably gonna be a little moisturizing on the skin. I don't know. It does not have a predominantly coffee fragrance, which I was expecting. And it does have these yellow beads as granules. So I will try this. I have not tried this, so looking forward to trying this one. But since it's a detans scrub, I will definitely use this because my skin is very sensitive. I get tanned very easily. So I need some detan scrub with me always. So I'll definitely use this one. And then they have sent this leaflet which says something about the brand and what all categories it has products on. And here are the different types of subscription boxes that they offer. You know, men, women, fitness, mini, kids. There are different variety of products they offer. And there's also a letter from CGG. So this is how it is from Anusha Dandekar. This is the entire range. Since this box has all products from CGG, they probably included this letter. Well, I have tried a few products from CGG and I did like them. I love that they have the ingredients that they claim to have as the most percentage in the product, and especially for a box like FBoxx, when you're getting everything at a price tag of $7.99 including shipping, it becomes truly amazing. You literally have your entire CTM routine for your nighttime. You have the cleanser and sunscreen for the daytime. You have a detan scrub as well. So what more can you ask from a subscription box? I mean, I'm definitely very impressed. I give this a big thumbs up. I especially chose this edition even though they have more latest editions. I actually really like this one and I thought this is something that I can definitely recommend to my fam. You guys do let me know what you feel about this box in the comment section below, and if you like this video then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It will encourage me to bring more good subscriptions on this channel. I hope you have already participated in the giveaway. If you haven't already, there is a huge birthday giveaway running on my channel. Make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.